Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have a brand new car that just came out. It looks absolutely amazing. But before we get started in that, I do want to mention I'm still doing a giveaway on my merch store. I'm giving away this Hot Wheels 2024 Collector Edition Nissan Silvia. This thing looks absolutely amazing. Spectraflame paint, real rider, rubber tires, all metal body. Giving this away to one of you guys. All you have to do is hop on my merch store. I have all the rules and everything on there. But I also have a lot of Hot Wheels for sale on there. A lot of mainlines, premiums, RLC, monster trucks, and a lot of other collector cars. So definitely go check it out. And the car we're going to be showing off in this video today, I actually have a few of them that will be available on my merch store. So if you guys are interested, link in the description down below or shopemptyparadise.com. But go ahead, get entered into this giveaway. You guys will not want to miss out on that. But the giveaway ends on May 31st, so you definitely do not want to miss out on that. So definitely go check it out, shopemptyparadise.com. But let's go ahead and get into the unveiling today. So this right here is a Hot Wheels Elite 64 Pandem Datsun 280ZX. This thing is absolutely incredible. And I actually was able to film this real car, like the one that's modeled after, when I was actually at Sema last year. That was super awesome, but here it is right now. Yeah, that car in person was absolutely insane. It's cool how they had the little mini version, the actual Elite 64 in the package there, and an even open one sitting there on a little piece of track. This thing looks absolutely insane, and like the real car looks beautiful. If you guys do not know the Elite 64, so Hot Wheels are like a 1/64th scale of like the real size cars. So the Elite 64 is more of the, has like a lot more detail, a lot more kind of realism. The rims are like actual, like accurate rims. Very, very little details. Even on this, for example, you could see it is a multi-piece wheel and all the little tiny bolts that go all the way around the outer rim. It's a very close replica to the actual car itself, and this one looks insane. But let's go ahead, pop it out of the plastic protector here. There we go. And wow, I haven't really looked at this much, so I'm kind of seeing it for the first time outside of that one I did see at Sema. But here it is. That car looks absolutely insane. The detail there on the side, I don't know if you can see like the detail in the rims, but the multi-piece wheels that look really, really accurate. And just like the realism in these Elite 64 cars is phenomenal. But these things are very detailed, very accurate to like the real car. Especially this one being modeled after like an actual like custom car in real life. It is so cool. But man, you can even see on the back here, it has some different stuff about it. There's even some specs right there of like the actual car. But yeah, this thing is super cool. It even has a little window there so you can see the car on the back side of the package. I don't know if you can see the details a little bit better with the way the light reflects. But man, this car is so awesome. And let me see if the interior also looks pretty on point as well, which is really cool. I can barely see in there now, so it's kind of, I don't know if it'll really show up on camera, kind of through that open window there. It's kind of hard to tell, especially with the way the glare is. But this car looks absolutely insane, and especially the way Hot Wheels made it so accurate to like the actual car. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this. I know this is a pretty quick video. Some of the other Elite 64 cars, you can actually open up different aspects of them, like the Lamborghini Aventador, the Liberty Walk Widebody. You can actually take off the whole back end, and it even has like twin turbos. This one, I was hoping that you could like open the hood, but looking at it, the whole hood is completely sealed into the diecast, and I'm not seeing anything that really opens or moves or anything. So where some of the other ones actually you could interact with it, this one you cannot. So that's too bad. I was really hoping I'd be able to open up one of these and be able to check it out, open up the features, but not all of them do have that capability. But wow, this thing, like I said, just looks absolutely incredible. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car. And if you guys even have this, let me know, because I'm kind of curious to see how many people pick these up. And man, this is also a pre-order, so they came out quite a while ago actually, and then they finally just came in, so I'm happy to finally be sitting here looking at it. And even the packaging looks really cool. It's kind of like a Hot Wheel premium size card, but then obviously you don't have like a hook or anything, because these do come with the plastic protector, and they do come kind of like from Mattel exclusively, so you can't just go buy this at a store or anything. But let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car. And like I said, I do have a couple of these available on my merch store. As this video goes live, those are on there, so definitely go check it out. And like I said, if you guys do pick up one of these Pandem Datsun 280ZXs, you automatically get multiple entries into the giveaway. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you'll see more videos like this. And I have a lot of other awesome Hot Wheel videos. I do daily races on my Hot Wheel 6-lane raceway in the form of YouTube shorts. So every single day I do races and kind of do like weekly tournaments. So like every Friday, it's kind of like a little finale race for the week. But those are really fun, really awesome. And if you guys like, you can even comment on there. Let me know what cars to race. But those are awesome videos, so definitely hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on all those. But like I said, let me know what you guys think of this car. But like I said, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.